survey the landscape, accurately painted, symbol of my captivation. Sinking, struggling, stagnant, stuck within familiarity, the ground that numbs my functioning. Hibernation, slumber parties, and comforting tar pits. Starving desires, hunger sinks in the dark depths. Under winter clouds, in the marshes, the sun is something you part with. Even the silver lining is tarnished. Still surviving, mud wrestling, stuck peddling, songs settling, abrupt exiting before it all hardens.
Because it all hardens and won't loosen up its grip. Grappling with gossip that seems to make the time slip. I'm astonished and impressed by the love and its success. I'll mess you with the souls of the idols that we left. I'm shackled at the soul, my nature is nurturing. I'm still saturated by the singing God I'm worshiping. I'm earnestly servicing, swinging songs through digital. Corporacy creation to cause cold to go critical. Escaping the tide hold, the cold seems a dream. Finally I had the chance to see the winter turn to spring.
Breathe in, suffocate the cold,
cause the substance of nothing seems to take away your soul.
breathe out, resuscitate life.
Without the light in your path, you can't see the sacrifice.
Breathe in,
Suffocate the cold.
get off your knees in the mud, adjust your fate's roll. Breathe out,
Resuscitate life.
it's the lining of the clouds that details the sky.
There must be more to life.
So I step into the light and move into the spring and open up my soul so I can see what it will bring. I drug ride right across the path of the cross, concealed by idioms since my language was lost. My knees stunk from crawling on the ground. May showers kill the flowers of my sound. Cumulus clouds took the winter shrouds into both the clear blue sky. Citrus colors seem to scream so loud. Winter stay away, it's retired for the moment. Spring saves the day, it's just another moment.
I lost my boots to the mud, my coat to the sun, exposed my soul to a purpose and something beautiful blossom.